Welcome, CryptoEL here. 21, of course. We got a new design, a new branding. Today I'm gonna speak about top 3 worst, or it should be, 3 worst mistakes. The top 3 worst mistakes that a trader can do, beginner trader can do. And they are revenge trading, over trading, and following gurus. Following gurus, following scam groups. You can join my free Telegram group. It'll be not a scam. You will see results. And I'm not using fair value gaps yet. Okay, so starting with the over trading. I know the feeling. We all want to trade for the whole day. It's so good to stay on the chart, follow, to come up with our own method, our own strategy, but not working that way. That's why it took me so many hours. It took me, I don't know, close to 2 years to find the strategy that I'm using now. I think even more than 2 years. To find the 21 strike. There will be a link. Of course, you can learn it really cheap. But here we're talking about mistakes, so I was like that, but there is something that I was doing, guarantee that I'm not losing money, at least on trading futures. I lost a lot of money trading crypto. You can find that in, I have so many videos. I've been losing thousands, and that's why, exactly that's why I got the experience to know that you should start from demo, or at least with a pro firm. In the course, I'm giving you everything that is needed, where to trade, how to trade, exactly. But I know, probably you're new, you're beginner, and you want to trade. But what to do? I can give you an advice, not a financial one. I'm not giving any financial advices, just a simple advice. What I'm speaking about is to trade only on New York session. That means only from where the New York open. For you, could be easy. When you wake up 9 a.m. or something, the market opens and you trade. You saw that? If you watched the previous video, you already know what happened with that. You already know that we won that. Somewhere here. You already know. Just watch the previous video if you want to find out. So, over trading. You staying on the chart all day. It's a good thing to do. But simply you have the replay button. You can simply replay, you can simply backtest, right? Backtest. You don't have to execute. If you want to execute, there is a free version on Trade08. Simply, I mean demo version. Simply execute on demo to find out how to do it and don't overtrade. The most people losing money in trading are the ones that are overtrading. Not only because they are overtrading, but because they are somehow managing to calculate some crazy stuff in their head, and out of nowhere they changing everything. They changing the spread, they changing the leverage, they changing the size, they changing the pips, they changing the micros, they changing. What do you mean? Absolutely, what do you mean? They changing even I don't know, the like the coin or something. Do you mean this is a real thing, a real business, and you want to make money with it, right? So deal with it, act like you're the professional. You're the one that will dominate, will crush the whole world if needed, with his own strategy. Because that's what you need to do. 21 Strike will help you tremendously. Simple as that. So easy. So the overtrading. Don't change anything. Don't trade more, let's say, 3 times in the beginning per day. Only in New York session. Only on the strategy. If you overtrade with the demo, with the simple clear mind that you are overtrading to learn. Right? But when the real money is on the line, never do that. It will be your fault completely. Second one is revenge trading. Overtrading is something similar, but not so much. Because let's say I'm doing 3 trades. I won let's say once, and 2 times I lost. Okay, what we doing? What we doing? You want to change the spread to make it 2 times bigger and to get the money back? No, no, no. No, no, that's how to blow the account. One time I blowed my whole 50,000 demo account. I blow it till zero from revenge trade. And of course, in some point, the whole mission was to go to zero, but I was mistaken so many times. I'm mistaken so many times, it's mind-blowing. So do that. If you want, you can do that, but do that only on demo. And be with the clear mind that when the real money are on the line, you are disciplined, savage that you are. Okay? Deal. Revenge trading will take all your profit. It's better to do 1 win per day, or let's say just 1 hour. Nothing else, 1 by 1. Just take your $40 and leave the chart. Do, let's say, 1 loss per day, 2 losses maximum, and close the chart. Doesn't matter how the day is going, what is happening. Okay? This is a real strategy that I'm using. In the Telegram, you can see in the previous video I showed you the exact. We even executed a real trade. I showed you this one here. It was not done, but right now it is. You can check on Nasdaq, not on the Bitcoin. But yeah, overtraining, absolutely no. Revenge trading, absolutely no. This will give you dopamine like crazy. Can you imagine? I was getting that dopamine hit SF on demo account. My heart was pumping like crazy on demo when I was trading on demo. I didn't even knew how that is possible, but it was happening. So build that up, and I'm a person with experience. I lost thousands of dollars in crypto. I'm a person with experience, and my heart was pumping on demo. What do you mean? So I have a video a couple videos ago was speaking about something similar, but this chart is a fictional numbers, nothing else. You have to act like it is, but you have to respect the money, because the money are real, but those are just numbers. You don't have to be scared. numbers. You are a real man, right? So deal with it. Act like that, like it. And the third one are the scam groups, the gurus that are talking, speaking, showing fake results with method strategies that you could never follow. They have 55 videos, 2-3 hours every single video, and you are learning about order block, about fair value gap, about reverse fair value gap. What do you mean about a higher high, double top, and some stuff? Nobody cares about that things. Those are just distractions. Of course, they could help you. Most of the people using them. But you need a real strategy. You need to act. You need to build that confidence. Only by positive results you will build the confidence. Yes, I know. Because the confidence is only from within. So those are the top three mistakes that traders do. Please don't repeat them if you do them at least. So thank you for your time. Ask me questions in the comments. Could speak a little bit more.